Hi everyone, hope you are doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, we have been seeing members of parliament, senators, governors, and even party leaders who have been in Azimio, especially those who got elected. They have been moving or decamping from Azimio to Kenya Kwanza. Severally, we have seen William Samoei Ruto receiving these members of parliament at the official residence of the deputy president in Karen. No one in Azimio la Umoja, either Raila, Mother Karua, or anyone there, has come out to either condemn or question these members of parliament who are moving to William Samoei Ruto's side. But finally, Mother Karua has come out to warn William Samoei Ruto and condemn the act of those people who are moving from from Azimio la Umoja going to Kenya Kwanza without actually following the political party act. And this is what Mother Karua is telling William Samoei Ruto, that wooing Azimio MPs to Kenya Kwanza without requisite legal provision is a display of impunity. That is William Samoei Ruto, or gross ignorance of the law of the land. So Ruto is displaying impunity towards his opponent and is displaying ignorance of the rule of the law. Karua has gone further to describe the true colors of William Samoei Ruto. And according to Mother Karua, Ruto lacks respect for the rule of law. Secondly, Ruto has displayed deficit of democracy. As Mother Karua was saying this, Senator Kipchumba Murkomen came out to respond to Mother Karua as far as members of parliament from Azimio moving to Kenya Kwanza. So I wanted to listen to Mother Karua shortly, and then after this, we are going to go to the response from Senator Kipchumba Murkomen as we go on with this conversation.
Is that it is unfortunate for anybody who aspires to lead this country and for somebody who is a deputy president of the outgoing government to break the laws of the country. Our political parties act, under which coalitions are built, stipulates very clearly that anybody leaving a coalition, there is a process. So for the deputy president to start wooing people, enticing them to leave a coalition without the requisite legal provisions is either a display of impunity or gross ignorance of the law of the land. I think knowing him, his true colors are showing. Lack of respect for the rule of law and a deficit of democracy in his actions in Kenya and under our constitution. The presumptive winner of a presidential race, even though declared, is never sworn in until either the time for filing a petition is over and no petition is filed, or a petition is filed and determined first. Those who may remember, Uhuru Kenyatta was not sworn in until after the petition in 2013 and even in 2017. And after the petition, there was a repeat election. So it is premature for somebody to start trying to disorganize political parties illegally and lawfully. And I would urge that Kenyans and members concerned be warned, and I would urge the deputy president of an outgoing government to acquaint himself with the laws of the land or ask his advisors for better advice. Thank you.
Now we are continuing with our final discussion, but just a quick request. You might be watching this channel, but you're not yet subscribed, so my humble request, please consider subscribing so that another time, once we release a video like this one, you will always get notified. Again, to the channel subscribers and anyone who comment, I must say thank you so much for your unconditional support. Again, I'm requesting you to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend our videos to more viewers. For those people who are asking for my phone number, you can WhatsApp me, and I have put that number always in the description box. So get to the description box, you will get my number, and you can reach out to me through the WhatsApp. Back to our discussion. Now, this is what Senator Kipchumba Murkomen has responded to Mother Karua as far as members of parliament, governors or senators are making their move to Kenya Kwanza. This is what Kipchumba Murkomen said. There is no single governor, senator, member of National Assembly or member of County Assembly belonging to Mother Karua or NAK Kenya who has joined President-elect William Ruto or Kenya Kwanza. Why is my sister Mother Karua wailing? That is Kipchumba Murkomen. You can see the kind of response from Kipchumba Murkomen. Kipchumba Murkomen is actually trying just to bring down Mother Karua by telling Mother Karua openly that despite none of her party member has crossed to Azimio to Kenya Kwanza, the truth of the matter remains that NAK Kenya has not won any governor seat. NAK Kenya has not won any senator seat. I'm yet to see members of parliament elected on NAK Kenya. So because of that, she has nothing to wail about. That is Kipchumba Murkomen responding to Mother Karua. And you can see the kind of response to Mother Karua. You can read even the what actually Kipchumba Murkomen means here to Mother Karua. It is serious. Actually, Kipchumba is trying to brag on Mother Karua that they have the numbers, but she don't have. Yet she has been a running mate to Railaodinga. So I don't know if Rigathi Gachagua has his members of parliament in his own party joining William Samoei Ruto. But then we are asking a question here. Are these members of parliament breaking the law by moving from Azimio to Kenya Kwanza? The truth of the matter is, yes, they are breaking the law. They are breaking the law because according to the Political Party Act, it is stipulated that someone or anyone can leave a coalition 3 months to election or 3 months after the election. Not just immediately after the election, because what these guys are doing, they're simply leaving to Kenya Kwanza side just immediately after election, after realizing that William Samoei Ruto has been declared the president-elect. Sijasema ameshinda kura, sababu watu wa Azimio bado wako na tashishi na huo ushindi. He has actually just been declared president-elect. So they are moving towards power, but they are breaking the law. Then the question is, how far can you go to punish these members of parliament? How far can you go to punish them? And the senior counsel, Ahmed Nasri Abdullahi, is responding to this. And this is what he had to say about as far as legal provisions is concerned with these members of parliament going to Kenya Kwanza. What are the legal consequences of a member of parliament belonging to the Azimio coalition joining the Kenya Kwanza coalition? Legally, nothing, but purely on moral grounds, the court can award Azimio nominal damage of 1 to 50 Kenyan shillings. 1 shilling to 50 Kenyan shilling. That is what Ahmed Nasir is saying. But again, it is not only this time around we are seeing members of parliament just crossing to other side without even resigning to go and vie afresh. But again, these people, every time, if you try to punish them, if you use political party to punish these members of parliament, the truth of the matter is that they will always rush to the court. And they will get court orders. We have good examples. Aisha Juma, she decamped from ODM to UDA. ODM tried, but they were stopped. The examples are many. Someone like Osot decamped from ANC to ODM. ANC tried to take him to court to try to, in fact, take over the nomination slot from him. They did not manage. At one time, Senator Malala moved to ODM. ANC was almost kicking him out, but they did not manage to do that. So many things happened. About 5 members of parliament from ANC party moved to Azimio 2 months to the general election. So there was no much issues that happened to them. So that tells you that in as much these members of parliament are moving to William Samoei Ruto's side, what we understand is that Ruto is paying them to join that coalition, simply because he needs numbers, so that when he wants to pass some bills, he can do them easily. So there is nowhere the Azimio team will take these members of parliament to. That's why they are just moving right, left, center to Azimio. Someone like Alfred Mutua, legally he is in Azimio, but now politically he is in Kenya Kwanza. Amason Kingi, party is legally in Azimio, but you see politically or technically Azimio, but you see politically he is in Kenya Kwanza. Look at that. So if it is the issue of impunity, really Ruto has shown it. The rule of law or democracy, he has shown where his position is. In as much Ruto has always said that he is a democratic person. He believes in democracy. That is not exactly what he is doing. He actually even said that he is going to work with the opposition, not by bringing them to his government, but by allowing the opposition to play their opposition role of checkmating the government. But before they start even doing that job, already Ruto is here wooing these Azimio elected members of parliament and the senators to the Kenya Kwanza side. So what he speaks is different from what he is doing. So yes, in as much Mother Karua is addressing William Ruto, it is also good for Mother Karua to directly address those people who are in the Azimio coalition, to give them a reason why they should stay in Azimio. They have a petition that has not yet been ruled. They still have a chance in this election. We can have the Supreme Court calling for recount of these votes, and it might work in favor of William Samoei Ruto. Sorry, in favor of railaodinga. And if it works in favor of railaodinga, then these members of parliament, you see, they will be disgruntled when they are already in William Samoei Ruto's side, and the other side have got it right. Watarudi na njia gani? Na wataambia watu nini? So she should convince them to at least wait until they fight this case to the end. We know, yes, politicians will have their interest coming first before anything else. The Supreme Court can go ahead and call for a rerun, not rerun. Yes, they can call for a rerun. And if they call for a rerun, still Azimio have a chance through the ballot. So she should convince them so that they can have or get a reason to at least wait a little bit. I don't know what to think about this, but that is William Samoei Ruto for you. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video.